Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can flip photos or images on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. And let us get started. First, open the Photos or Gallery app on your iPhone. Next, you will need to select the image or photo, Edit. And next, you'll need to tap the word Edit at the top. And next, you will go to Crop at the bottom. This is how you're going to be able to edit the photo. At the top, you'll have a second sign in the left-hand corner. If you click on that, it will flip the photo completely to the side you want. Also at the bottom, you will be able to flip it like this. If you drag this slider at the bottom, and there's also vertical and horizontal flips, for example. If you think that you would like to drag some part of the photo forward, for example, it is also possible to do it not in some special application, but just in the editor on the iPhone. And this is how, let's say, when you flip the image in order to save it. You press Save at the top. And literally right away you have the image already changed. You can do the same thing with video, but if you choose, for example, Edit Video, then you can only click Edit. Next is cropping. And here you can also, for example, flip the video. You can also unfold it in this way and do whatever you want. Friends, this is a very simple way to flip your media files on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, don't forget to put likes, and see you soon.